Start. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sapna Master IELTS. This video is about July exam dates. कौन सी exam date best है? On what date you should book your exam in July? So let's talk about चार हमारे पास dates रहेंगी, but before that I want to announce one thing. आपने मेरा banner भी देखा होगा YouTube channel का. Here also I am going to announce that I have launched one app which is new mobile app. You can have various courses there, flexible timings, recorded lectures. You can access the content anytime, anywhere, and it is all in your hand. It is all in your phone, and you can get the predictions. You can get the predictions plus the content there. So jaldi se download kijiye. Go to Google Play Store and use this Sapna Masterclass IELTS there, or you can WhatsApp me on my number. I'll be sharing the link in the description box also. You can just click on the link and join that. For iPhone users also, I will share the link in the group. Let's talk about the next part, which is the about our dates. Dates में सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे. हमारे पास 4 dates हैं: 6 July, 11 July, 20 July and 27. We have 2 dates for academic, 2 dates for academic and GT. 6th and 27th, we have academic plus GT. So let's talk about the first date. 6th July is the first date and it is easy. You can book this date if you are prepared, if you are already prepared for the exam. Academic का exam है प्लस जीटी का एग्जाम है. सो एकेडमिक लिसनिंग इज इजी, लेकिन सेक्शन 3 या सेक्शन 4 थोड़ा सा फास्ट हो सकता है. वर्क ऑन द स्पेलिंग्स एंड ऑन माय ऐप you will get the 1,000 words, I would say, more than the repeated words in IELTS listening. So must get that from the app. आप जल्दी से ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए एंड गेट इट. प्रोनाउंसिएशन जरूर चेक करना. लॉन्ग एमसीक्यू, सिलेक्शन ऑफ लेटर्स विल बी द टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. कैम्ब्रिज बुक्स ये लिखी हुई हैं, इनके ऊपर प्रिपरेशन जरूर करना. टास्क एक रीडिंग का, एक पैसेज कोई भी मॉडरेट होने वाला. पैराफ्रेजिंग डेफिनेटली चाहिए उसमें. इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड बट स्टिल पैराफ्रेजिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड. राइटिंग टास्क इजी. एनी टास्क कैन बी रिपीटेड. आप चेक करें आपकी ग्रामर कैसी है, कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस कैसे यूज कर रहे हैं. राइटिंग टास्क 1 इजी है. राइटिंग टास्क 2 भी थोड़ा सा इजी रहेगा. इट इज इजी टू मॉडरेट. जनरल मॉड्यूल के लिए रीडिंग इज लिटिल बिट मॉडरेट एंड राइटिंग इज रिपीटेड वन. 11th July is the second date, which is easy to moderate for sure. Here we will talk about, this is just academic and listening जो है वो easy है. 4 section moderate होने वाला है. You have to work even harder. No more than 2 words can be the type of question. Short MCQs and long MCQs can be little confusing. Talking about the reading, 2 passages are definitely moderate. You can locate the answer with the tricks, but if you are sure about it. Moving on to the writing task 1, topics जो हैं that will be given in the date wise predictions, and date wise predictions are on academic and general module. Both are given on my app also if you want to get the material, and if you want to get the details about it, it is available on my Insta channel. Let's talk about writing task 2. Synonyms अच्छे से use करें and you can easily describe with proper paraphrasing. थर्ड डेट इज 20 जुलाई. इजी टू लिटिल मॉडरेट, आप ये बुक कर सकते हैं. डेट स्पीड 1.25 रहेगी फॉर श्योर. एक ही पैसेज है जो आपको सुपर इजी मिलने वाला है. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट यू कैन क्लियरली फाइंड आउट okay the answers. Writing is easy to moderate, and the last one is now 27th July. Yes, this is moderate plus. Only book this date if your writing is good. Listening easy to moderate. Speed again 1.25 to 1.5 इतना चल सकता है. 2 sections का pronunciation जरूर check करके जाए. And next one is reading. Passage moderate होने वाला है. To what extent? Discuss both views. These type of questions can be asked in writing task. General के लिए little moderate, वैसे इतना moderate नहीं है, but yes, you can book this date. And writing के लिए भी it is not too difficult, so you can book this date. Date wise predictions we have on Instagram, and this is the Instagram name. Then next one is we have reading can come from these websites, इसलिए पहले से practice करके जाएं. One more important thing here, the batch is going to start from 6th of June. जल्दी से join कर लीजिए. And if you want a recorded lectures, so reading के आपको recorded lectures, writing का full course that is available on the app. App का link मिलेगा आपको on my description box में मिल जाएगा आपको. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Quickly join and come back with another video, with another like. All the best, guys. We'll see you in my next video.